Hey everybody, welcome back to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel. Here are 3 fun recipes that maybe you would like to try. The first one is my ultimate chocolate chip cookie recipe. And the second recipe is my amazing crispy deep fried chicken recipe. And the third recipe is my mini chocolate mud cake. And think of this cake as a giant chocolate fudge brownie. Super, super delicious. So there we go, 3 fun recipes. I'll put all of the links for these recipes underneath the video in the description box. And also, they'll be clickable at the end of the video. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching.